Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Glee dance filter on TikTok. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your TikTok application. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on the plus sign here. You want to go to effect, then you want to search around for the effect. And if you can't see it here, there's another method, another way you can get it. You want to go back, and then you see where we have following and for you want to go to for you, and you want to click on the search by the right here. Okay, and then you want to search for Glee dance filter. Okay, click on that. So you can click on any of this image. Okay, I'm going to show you what to look out for. Once you see this star with a yellow background, we have AR Glee. You want to click on it. Then you want to click to add it to your favorites, and then you want to click on use this effect. You want to wait for it. Okay, that's the effect. I'm gonna use my index and thumb to pinch and drag to increase. So that is how to use this effect, okay, on TikTok, and you can go ahead and add music to it. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video to help more people find the video. That's the way you can support me on this channel. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.